everyone, good morning. Welcome from the UK. It's really early at the moment, but I thought I would document my journey today as a storyteller. So I'm not only an online writing tutor, but I'm also a storyteller and theatre practitioner. And I have my first storytelling workshop with ArtBurst, and they do a lot of performing arts or storytelling and arts and crafts workshops for young children. So we are going today to the London Transport Museum in Convent Garden to do my first storytelling workshop, and you're going to join me. So yeah, join me on my journey.
Good evening.
How is everyone today?
Good.
Excellent. Is this your first time here?
No.
Oh, lovely. So you've been here quite a few times.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you love it?
I like it.
The actions to tell this amazing story that we're going to tell today. Oh, isn't that lovely? Okay, and I want you to imagine you can see some slugs and some snails. Who loves slugs and snails? Oh, I absolutely love them. Do you? No? Oh, so what are you going to say when you see a slug and snail? What are you going to say? Yeah. So everyone, let's go. Let's say yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Hi guys, and yeah, so it's going really well. I've done about 3 sessions so far. Not bad. I've done 3 sessions so far. Got 2 more to go.
Get your fingers, don't get your fingers. Right, and then the part where it says a sad droopy plant, okay? So imagine this sad droopy plant needs water. So can you imagine your sad droopy plant? Okay, so you're really low on the ground, you're like, give it a sad face. Oh, I need water so badly. Okay, and then the last line of the story is growing like a plant, okay? So I want you to imagine you're that sad droopy plant, and then I'm going to come round and I'm going to water you with my water bottle. Oh, actually, I'm going to use my watering can. Oh, the watering can will be better, okay? And I'm going to come round.
Oh guys, I have finished. That was really enjoyable. Really fun. Yeah, so just gonna get ready to go home. Yeah, so I had about 5 sessions today of storytelling. So what I did is obviously a lot of props and stuff, as I showed you earlier. So you're gonna see that on my channel sometimes, and I'm just gonna let you guys in on what I'm doing. Maybe I'll do one as about my life as an online tutor. So if you would like to check that out,
just leave a comment below. And yeah, and just follow me on this amazing journey. So guys, thank you for tuning in today. So we'll take you to my website and you can enter your email to get your free grammar lesson. And if your teenager needs an English or drama tutor, please drop me a line, and you can also go to this link in my description box and you can click on my website and you can sign up for a free consultation. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember, reach your full potential with confidence. Take care and speak to you soon.